Smells like pigeons in here. Watch out, Yuki. Watch out for snakes. The birds have definitely taken over this. See? And if birds have nested here, then that means snakes will probably come here, and other animals will come and take eggs too. Oh, those crows were in there. So that's who's nesting in there. Here you go. A crow's nest right here. And crow's nest right up in the corner. Yeah, here's one where you could tell they use it as target practice. Looks like the original wood, but they put the metal on the outside. Come on, Yuki, this way. Come on. Come on. Yuki. Yuki, come on. There's another nest right there. I don't know what kind of nest it is, but could be a bird or a rodent. I'd say since it's up there, it's a bird. No, Yuki, no, stay away from that. Come on. That's nasty. Come on. Let's look inside this one. This one doesn't have nothing in it, hardly. That's one of the birds that I showed you guys, his nest in there. Because I saw two of them flying out when I walked up. This is KCL campground in the middle. Well, it's like miles and miles from the other campground, but it's got some nice spots. Looks like everything is taken today though. But they got some shade trees and stuff. This wouldn't be a bad place to come. And I'm sure you get a great look at the stars at night. Those crows are back in there now. Go, what did he take? What did he take of ours? Yeah, it's not a nice, not a bad campground. Some big trees provide shade if you stay here in the summertime. Stay here. Yeah, what is it? A big bird, huh? here in San Luis Obispo County, out here in Carrizo Basin National Monument.